just because what's found on this reading list will pretty much it'll pretty much solidify what we talked about today. You know, if you look through these books, all of these sentiments are expressed. First one is W.B. Du Bois, The World in Africa. The World in Africa by W.B. Du Bois. Then we have William Durant. D-U-R-A-N-T? Exactly. The Story of Civilization. Caesar and Christ. And we have the brother we just mentioned, Lancelot Hogben, Mathematics in the Making. It's H-O-G-B-E-N is his last name. H-O-G.
Lancelot?
Yeah, Lancelot Hogben, Mathematics in the Making. And then we have Carl Boyer. His last name, B-O-Y-E-R. A History of Mathematics. We just mentioned Richard Gillings, Mathematics in the Time of the Pharaohs. And if you want to aggravate yourself, Florian Cajori, A History of Mathematics. And Morris Klein, Mathematics in Western Culture. And this is all reference points in the baseline essays. The way it's written in the baseline essays, that was actually reference points 1 through 7. You know how you...
You're going to go too fast.
I'm sorry.
You said Florian Cajori was what?
His book was...
History of Mathematics.
No.
No, that was Boyer. Carl Boyer, right?
Oh, you're right. A History of Mathematics.
And then,
Yeah, actually they are. And
Cajori.
Cajori, A History of Mathematics. Boyer also. Boyer's is by Wiley. I guess that's Wiley Press.
So both of them History of Mathematics?
Both of them are called History.
Oh, it's
Okay,
just
that's
different
why I got
versions.
confused.
Yeah. The Florian Cajori obviously is the Macmillan, which is the big school textbook. And this is an indication. This guy who wrote about the Semitic race keeping everything on ice. Macmillan is publishing his stuff. So the Florian Cajori one is a Macmillan publication, and then the Carl Boyer is a Wiley publication.
Hey, what was Morris Klein's called?
Mathematics in Western Culture. And I was just going to say, the way I came up with the reading list was, that was reference points 1 through 7 in the baseline essays. So it's all here in the baseline essays as well. And you can check out the essays from clicking on our website, the Baseline Essays Project. Go to the People's University concept at the bottom of the page, Baseline Essays Project, and their website explains what the essays are about. And the actual essays, I'm scanning them to my computer right now. So they'll be available on the website soon too. With that, again, like we mentioned in the beginning, in the further lessons coming up, we're going to get more into the application of mathematics through the Ahmose Papyrus. But we have to get through this history first because it's essential. So hold on next coming few weeks. The application actually starts at about page 15, and we just went through pages 1 and 2. So
every week. Every week. Well, let me close out before we disperse.
Really interesting.
As Huey said, I would like to say, as we are one today, let us be one in the future. Power to all of the people.
Power.
So this class, we're going to be able to learn mathematics the way we think. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's what
our
I'm.
mindset thinks.
That's what I mentioned earlier. Just because we break down the Ahmose Papyrus, and you know, he shows different systems of multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and the systems that he used. It's my opinion that because we are people who are descendants of these people, that our logic will connect. It'll adhere more to this system, even though it's the same thing. 2 times 2 is 4.